30 dumplings. They have 2 minutes. They're gonna try and eat as many dumplings as they can in 2 minutes. I'm gonna have a timer going, and they are gonna blast through as many dumplings as they can in 2 minutes. They have sauces they can use. There we go. We have the sauces, courtesy of Gutom.ca. They can use whatever they like, but they gotta eat the dumplings, they gotta swallow them, and then we're gonna count how many dumplings are left at the end of the 2 minutes. The person with the least amount of dumplings is the winner. That's really simple. Do we have Kayla here? Kayla? Contestant number 1 is Kayla. Can you give her a round of applause? She's from Vancouver. She can eat 14 dumplings in one sitting. Craziest thing she ever did was drive from Calgary, or drive to Calgary. Yes, give her a round of applause. Kayla, thank you. Next up, number 2 contestant, we have Daniel the Pop Can Ma. All the way from Vancouver. There we go. Give him a round of applause. He has eaten 8 dumplings in one sitting. You gotta do better than that today, buddy, I'm sorry. Okay, but he can draw first in 151 Pokemon by memory. Wow, that's good, man. Okay. Next up, do we have Danny? The Big D is in the house. Born and Red Deer, Alberta. And he used to play Harry Potter sport, yes? Okay. Give him a round of applause, Danny Big D. Next up, Lindsay Hong is in the house. She can eat 61 dumplings in one sitting, yes? Now, I know for a fact, Lindsay hasn't eaten all day today. She's been waiting for this moment, so Lindsay, I have faith in you. Next up, we have Nathan W. Yes? Nathan W. He's a cook from Burnaby. Give it up, Nathan W. Amazing. And we have another Nathan. Nathan P. is in the house. What? Joy? Last but not least, we have Joy. She can eat 31 dumplings in 2 minutes. Is this a fact, Joy? Good job, okay. Let's give it one more time for all of our 7 contestants. Wow, it's gonna be a battle. This is sponsored by TNT, by the way, and Gutom.ca. They're providing the sauces here. Okay, Joy's getting the phone set up. We're good. Everybody, don't forget to hashtag LNY at the Met. Okay, so we're gonna get everybody get settled in here. Okay, yeah. Use hands, chopsticks, personal preference. Remember, you have 2 minutes. You have to eat as many dumplings as you can in 2 minutes. Wow, okay. So what we're gonna do is, everybody settled in. Contestants, you're feeling good? Who's feeling confident here? I know Lindsay is. You guys feeling confident? Joy, Nathan, the 2 Nathans here, they are last minute contestants. I hope you guys are hungry.
Oh, I'm very hungry.
Yeah? Okay, he's ready. I know he is. So ladies and gentlemen, I need everybody to give him one more cheer and then we're gonna count them down, okay? Let's count them down from 10. I'm just gonna get my timer up here. Yeah, we're gonna put 2 minutes on the clock. We're gonna count them down from 10. I need everybody to join in, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Dig in, you. thinking? We're just tallying up the totals here. I don't know. It was a tight race. Nobody at L30 though, right? No. 1, 2. Okay, somebody has won. Oh yeah, here we go. Danny Lai, Big D is in the house. And how many? There's 17 left, so he ate 13 dumplings in 2 minutes. Great job, Danny. Let's give Danny a big round of applause. Well done. So Danny wins $300 total gift cards, $150 for the Met, and $150 for TNT. Yeah, well worth it, congratulations. And everybody gets a gift bag today for participating. Oh, from Lee Kumkey gift bags, yes. Congratulations, well done. Again, sponsored by TNT and Lee Kumkey. Thank you everybody for watching. Yes, let's give our contestants a big round of applause. Well done on the snowy